seen the site SteamyCheck.com popping up lately, promising quick access to stimulus checks or financial aid? Sounds helpful, right? But is it actually legit or just another scam trying to cash in on desperate times? Let's dig in. Quick disclaimer, this review is based on public information and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you guys are asking me how I do this research so fast. I actually left a step-by-step guide down the description box just so you can follow if you're interested. Go check it out. So, StimulusCheck.com claims to help people check their eligibility or speed up stimulus payments. But the moment you land on the site, it feels off. The design is super basic, there's no clear contact information, and they're asking for personal details like your name, address, even social security numbers in some cases. It's a huge red flag. There's no official backing from any government agency, it's not connected to the IRS, and there's zero legit verification in their claims. In fact, if you Google the site, you'll find no trusted sources linking to it, just warnings in forums and scam watch lists. Sites like this often fish your info or trick you into signing up for shady offers or subscriptions. Some users even reported being redirected to spammy loan sites or being hit with junk emails after submitting their data. So, SteamyCheck.com is not legit. It's not affiliated with any real stimulus program, and it's definitely not safe to hand over personal info. If you're looking for real financial aid, always go through official.gov sites. Don't let desperation lead you into a trap. Seen a similar sketchy site? Let us know in the comments so others can avoid it too. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more no BS reviews on online scams and shady websites. Stay safe out there.